Where was Shanice at that time? Shanice and Tammy are spiritually ill. At that time, yes. So you're gonna tell me, say, him not have no sense for no say the man say when Jayden went to the fast food place to go buy the box food, him not have no sense. And then if you say everything is true, that means to say when Jayden go buy the food, I fast food place, according to you what you said to us that everything Mr. T says is true, that means to say you did that spiritually ill for true then. Because you tell me say what Mr. T say is true. It is actually factual. So how you gonna come back and twist your mouth pan way?
Yes, and so listen now.
Remember, you know, say, let me tell you something. You can conversate with me all you want, you can debate me all you want, and I don't get pissed off. You know, I'm gonna get mad when you don't try to move the goalpost. Leave the goalpost right there. Because that's why Messi and them man turn big baller because the goalpost stay one place. Nobody shift the goalpost pan when I'm on in here. Just make a goalpost stand right there. A matter of fact, we're going to cement it down.
But where were Shanik at the time?
Shanik and Tommy, that's spiritual. Yes, that's spiritual.
Yeah, but the thing now, oh, you don't know that's spiritual and that the people ask.
Me, yeah, me understand what you're saying. But me carry the bunch of key up with Shanik in her hand right now.
No, in the morning.
Yeah, well, I know, we don't train your pharmacy.
At what time?
As we tell you, say, early in the morning. 9
o'clock now, after surgery.
But my wife and them are still in the hospital with she.
Shanik?
Yes.
So, and then after your wife left the hospital with Shanik now?
No, man, when Shanik got the hospital, we were here. When Shanik walked in, I was going to buy a soap. Down at the hospital, something.
So you see it? You see true, Mr. T tell? And at 2 times Mr. T see her for the day, you know. At 2 times Mr. T see her for the Friday for truth. Because this is further on down in the day now. This is further on down in the day. So, yes, sir, I know when she come. Yes, sir, I know when she don't just come, yes, sir. When Mr. T go buy soup, she don't come here. And yes, sir, she don't just come then. She got spiritual already. When Mr. T go buy the soup.
Shanik walking. I think there's a time now really.
So what time you just say you reach the hospital?
Reach the hospital maybe about say. I want to know like I tell you say I in the evening really that far.
Oh, that's 7.
No man. Earlier that man. Maybe about say in the evening. About school on Friday at about 1:30.
Tiger play it back. Did you just say me reach at the hospital around 7 and then change him out?
No, L.A. Lewis asked me for around 7 and he said, no.
No, him said something before that him said me reach at the hospital above.
So, and then after your wife left the hospital with Shanik now?
No man, when Shanik got the hospital, we were here. When Shanik walked in, I was going to buy a soap. Down at the hospital, something.
So, that's what time
Shanik walking. I think there's a time now really.
So what time you just say you reach the hospital?
Reach the hospital maybe about say.
I'm saying maybe about 10.
No man. Earlier that man. Maybe about say in the about school on Friday at about 1:30.
Yeah.
So maybe about say. Anyway, after them the hours say.
After 1:30 they reach hospital?
No man, they reach school hospital maybe about say.
And so just a time we try to work. That's a Jayden school over 1 o'clock.
No.
What time?
Jayden school over
2:30 Jayden school over, right?
And Jayden school over 3:30 at 2.
Your hospital after 3.
Yes.
Yes, and then after you reach the hospital, then Shanik come in.
Shanik come right because the Shanik walk in, she attacks.
She walk in at the school, then at the hospital. So was she at the hospital before you come, or was she covered the hospital after you come?
So hold on. When I tell me that that's a remedy. Is that a robber that said, yo, I could take man for like no, go to the hospital, go check camera them down, don't know, sir. So I like if I want to check the camera them down, if you think I like me, I tell. Come here, I tell you, so the hyena was there at the time, so go and go check the camera. So you're telling me now, a drinkard and a rummed will have Alzheimer's and all of these things. I go send you. Because then, you know, even if it's a rummed, right? You have to then tell yourself, you have to question yourself as well and say you're not sure about certain things. So you can't, or you will not put down your foot so hard like that. And even the key at the pharmacy, he said to us to go and check the pharmacy camera as well. And these are the things that the hyena could not back up. She have to come and admit to them. You understand?
Just a few minutes before she comes.
Alright, before she comes. So when people look at the time when Jayden
Yes,
was at school,
yes.
and the time when Shani come to the hospital, because remember, what we were, we were to make sure said the people not judge rank.
No, they don't do anything they want to do.
No, man, never said the people.
You see here, sir? So right here, sir. This is the part right here, sir, where Miss Carol, second boy, say him never know what go on right here, sir. Yes, sir, him never know what go on. Him did genuinely think, say, Jayden just gone. Him never know, say, Romian, Demar, Pedro, or Perjo, whatever they call him, and Shanice have anything to do with Jayden right here, sir. Him never know that right here, sir. And I don't think up till today, nobody go and confront him and tell him, say, them do something to him. So him is him kind of linger like obviously him a pick up now and I say, no man, from where my ear and saw, things don't look smooth. But him know now more than him know then.
No, when people do what they want to do, sometimes chaos can happen. Yeah, it's a family. So you have to make the thing work out.
No, but we can't remember every time. Remember, say, I try.
No, man, what we say no. Alright, the thing here, before me go come down here, what me here repeat and I said, yes, and because me tell them say that man, him could in or nothing.
Neither none we none.
So, no, what me do now? You know, I'm only for case.
And I know me know say I come from about 2 or 3 years ago.
Me know, because me announce me come across the world, yes, and so, but
Me know.
I think up.
And that is the reason why I believe that he didn't know nothing. Mr. T is playing, say it as I see it. Because you see, if them did give him a hint, or him did believe in him art, none at all, or know that them have something to do with me I tell you, he wouldn't give that interview here. Not like he wouldn't say no, but he would have fix up everything. He would have dress up everything like onion and chicken foot. Me I tell her that. He would have dressed it up.
Or probably not talk, or probably not do the interview where him not say mouth run like river.
Right. So him genuinely in a film head thinks that Jayden just gone run with somewhere or gone with somebody or something. He never believe that they are them doing nothing. Me I tell you, say never believe it. Until I run this interview, come I tell you, say, you see what I'm saying? He may say, LLS are coming at 3 days time. You see, even if he did have a little clue or a hint, me I tell you, say, that's stick up for them. Even though I know say them wrong, but he may still stick up for them. Me I tell you, say, that's stick up for them. And that is the thing what pissed off the old hyena like this, because she say her father will have her from 3 months should have stick up for her whatever the circumstances. But Mr. T never know. He just genuinely thinks that the little boy run away.
He would tell you about the pear tree, like how the mama hide all of them something that he wouldn't give us all of them information there.
Exactly.
He would not, but because him thinking say them not have nothing to do with it, would not have nothing to hide. Would not have nothing to hide. So we can't give you all of the details.
I'm telling you guys this. I'm telling you 1 billion%.
He felt tiger
if he figure it out.
Him felt as if giving more information about what Shani did do would not prove her innocence, and it end up tying her more to it, because these are things that we'll never know these steps. Because remember, she saying, no man, I just go straight to the hospital and then go to the next hospital. I never have no time to get a chance to go do nothing else. And here's Mr. T coming, oh no, I gave her the key. She went there, and this happened, that happened, and the person did it as well, and all of that. And that is what she said she was so angry about. him get too much information. She said it out her own mouth.
Let me show you how very calculated she is, right? All she do, she's still not letting off of Mr. T-shirt. She's not letting go off of Mr. T-shirt because she said Mr. T drop her a taxi stand. I mean, I believe her. I think it's a lie she tell.
I think it's the truth. You remember the girl who come out today who says a mad girl? Where the mad girl says she have picture, I think of that picture that them have. Because remember, Tiger, we were saying, why would a person just take a picture of somebody so? Just see somebody and just take a picture. But this is the reason why. So if the little boy get missing yesterday and people in the community are talking about whatever, I remember did that spread, so whatever. And people see the girl the next day now, I go somewhere, then take her picture.
No.
You don't feel so?
No, because that would have mean that would have been the Saturday.
The picture where the girl says she have with them in the taxi, I'm not talk the person where you talk to, you know.
Yeah, but what I am saying, she said when she picked up the key from Mr. T was the one that dropped her by the taxi stand.
Yes, she didn't get the key the Saturday. Listen, Mr. T see her the Saturday as well, you know. She went back to Pertree the Saturday as well.
That's what I'm saying.
But she didn't go with Mr. T. He dropped her to the taxi stand, of course. Him drop her at the taxi stand.
That's not the Friday though. That's not the Friday.
Not the Friday, the Saturday. You know, follow what me I tell you. The Saturday, she get the key the Friday and them go Pertree. But remember, Tiger, her luggage, remember the important part, the carry-on. That they are Pertree. Now, if the baby a move, go St. Anne, she need to go back a Pertree, go collect her things them. This is why she had come and now as a Saturday, because she knows same see her Saturday too. You get me? And she probably take the taxi, go up there, because she probably don't want him sit one who they up at the house. Remember the girl them come back come tell us say, Rummy and they still there Manchester. Them see Rummy and Pedro.
What I am saying, right? Mr. T says she didn't come down with no clothes. And she says she never come down with no clothes. That means to say the wrong itinerary she give with the carry-on.
Tiger, she come down with clothes. Remember the girl, alright, Tiger. When she get the information what happened to the baby, right? She said in the hours, she even said like one of the father, even though no she tell what if I lie, but some truth in her what she has said as well. She said the baby father of a family were working at some ministry of health or whatever, right? Mama keep on and say she never, it's not when she reach at the hospital she find out say the baby foot broke. She said in the early morning, like when the baby never get through, the same person they call her. No, she call the person and tell the person what happened with the baby. So that person now start do some investigation and find out what happened. And she said the person call her, but none tell her say what wrong with the baby, and that's why the baby now can get for travel or leave the whatever, leave the hospital or whatever. And so she said the person said to her, said, do you want to speak to the doctor? Right? And she said that is when she canceled the baby ticket. Because you know such a baby can't come up. She call and cancel the baby ticket. Now she had to extend her ticket as well. Because she knows said no, she now is not a fly down and run come up back. So she had to have the carry-on. This is how the carry-on come in place. Because extra days. Then by the Wednesday she leave, you know. You understand? So that's why I think the carry-on come in place right there. So because it's when she had to change clothes and all of them something there. It makes some sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. But me I gotta listen because Sharon said she said she never have no clothes and Mr. T said she never have no clothes. And I'm thinking, but what you said
she forget her itinerary. Because she lie a lot.
It makes sense because I was listening to the part where she said she spoke to some family member and she that same part was so she canceled the ticket, and that I think it sounded like from what she was saying she did that from she was in America.
Yes, remember but Bina said that says not at the hospital she find out said the baby foot broke and whatever. It's
Because
from
she
in
said-
America.
She even says who was meant to carry the baby because all along we said who she expect to carry the baby come to the airport and she said it was her
Exactly.
mother. She said it was her mother supposed to carry the baby to the airport.
He said it was her mother. We never
Yeah.
get that part there.
Yeah, she said it was her mother supposed to bring
When
her.
she said that? In
Yeah,
addition to the
question-
ad boss?
Yeah.
Oh, I never hear that part because that noise another lie. Because if our also maybe true, our mother did for bring the baby and the mother there at the hospital, them switch it from the mother and Romy. That's how Romy get involved now for come pick her up. Cause now she have to go straight or maybe Tammy, but that's how the switching around go on. Me tell her right there, so the planning and everything start coming play, the whole premeditated thing start coming play. When she realized the baby cannot travel, come back up, that and she say it herself, she said she gets so emotional and everything. She'll start just like, cause and as women, we women are emotional. And remember the father, according to her, the father not there with her, she have another child, cause that is not a baby, she have another child there as well. Cause that's why me say I kinda believe the 2:00 itinerary because I think so because she have the other baby with her and she was just going to jump on a flight, pick up the baby and come back up. The baby, the other people they can stay by the baby can stay by herself for a while, cause not like say she did not go away for long. Just did not go jump on the flight and come back right up. It's just when she get the call now, say the baby can't go, whatever. She had to start at whatever and her thinking just chipped from this. So.
Yeah, but if there was any such problem, same like how she cancelled the little baby ticket, she could have cancelled for her one if she knows that she don't have nobody to keep the data, and it's a case where she have to stay longer than she anticipated. She could have then cancelled for her ticket then.
Yeah, she could have cancelled her ticket, but remember, that's when I tell her the whole premeditated thing come in. That is what she shouldn't do, and Jayden wouldn't still be alive today. She should have cancelled her ticket, but because she had other plans as well. Whatever happened to Jayden was not no accident. It was not no accident. It was, when we call her something, it's just she spiral out of control. She tell you say her mental state was not there. She tell us say her mental state was not there, so everything she was not thinking rational. She just move off her emotions and what happened to her son, and she wanted to reach out, and she said she wanted the baby to get the best care, and the baby can't come up and he was being neglected. And she knows that the father not there, the father one boy pitney as the father gone, that as a lot of emotions are run through her. A lot of emotions was running through her. And that's what lead up to whatever she make happen to the little boy there.
Right, and this is what I'm saying. So, if she work at night according to what them says, that's what I've been thinking as well. That little girl there, she must have somebody to look about her.
Well, night she work.
I don't know, and I'm not arguing with her.
She probably do. I'm not saying no, because remember we are just assuming. We don't
feel
know
like
for
say,
true.
me just feel like say that girl there, she never bring her clothes for true.
The tiger, you gonna know say you come at Jamaica, you gonna come at Jamaica for